This video is going to be looking at bus lanes, bus gates and bus only signs. Do you find them confusing? Hopefully not after this video. Contraflow bus lane, with flow bus lane on the left, with flow bus lane on the right, with flow bus lane on the left and the times that it's in operation, the end of the bus lane, bus only signs. Let's start with bus lanes. This sign shows that you've got a with flow bus lane on the left just about to start. So this video shows that the bus lane is about to start on the left hand side. As we come through the lights here, you can see the with flow bus lane on the side. The sign says that it's shared with cyclists, but the yellow sign tells you that taxis and other things that sometimes are allowed to use that lane aren't here. So the lane is running along the left. There was no signage written underneath it, so that means it runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If it has a sign underneath saying some days and times, that's when it's in use and you mustn't enter. The bus lane is out of operation, then it is allowed to be used by other drivers. Make sure you're 100% sure that it's out of operation and that you can use it. The blue sign on the left here says end of bus lane, and that's because they're allowing traffic to move back into the left lane to turn left at these traffic lights. But if you watch the other side of the traffic lights, you'll see that the bus lane restarts. So this bus lane is with flow on the left hand side. Later in this video we'll show you one on the right. Now if you watch as we come along this stretch here with the bus lane on the left hand side, as we come up to the roundabout, again it puts the end of bus lane sign up on the left hand side and allows people to move back into the left hand lane to go ahead or left at the roundabout. Once the solid line has finished, which divides us from the bus lane, I can check my mirrors, safely move to the left, and then I can follow the road ahead at the roundabout. Reading well ahead can allow you to see these signs. From this side of the roundabout, I can already see the sign that's telling me that the bus lane is going to start over the opposite side. As I come round the roundabout, I can see the sign telling me it's about to start, and as I go a bit further, then I've got the with flow bus lane sign here. As I leave this roundabout, I can see it says buses only to the right. I go a bit closer, I can see the sign saying that I've got a with flow bus lane on the right. It's been marked in red to highlight it more. Watch as I come around this corner just after the traffic lights where it has a contraflow bus lane sign just into view now. This is telling me normal traffic can go my way and the only thing coming towards me is a bus lane. Look where I'm about to leave the roundabout. Can you see the contraflow bus lane on the left? So that means that the bus lane is coming towards me on the right side. There's the bus. If a vehicle's parked up on the left, you'll have no choice but to enter that bus lane to overtake when it's safe. As you come along here towards the end, you might be able to see the red markings for the vehicles coming the other way, telling them that they can't come through there, only for buses. So a bus gate doesn't have a gate, it's just a section that the usual drivers can't go through. It will tell you in a sign what vehicles are allowed down there, and that will be in a blue circle, like a bus only sign. So bus only signs are in the blue circle, like in front of us here. It says two options here, you can go left or right, but you can't go ahead. Past the first sign, the second one says you can turn right but you can't go ahead. Finally, you're faced with the bus only sign and bus gate written on the ground. Once here, all you can do is turn right. So look at this one on the left next to the lorry. It tells you can't turn right at the mini roundabout because it's only for buses, and you can see the bus only sign on your right. At this roundabout is saying you can't turn right fourth exit because that's for buses only. This sign is saying that you can't turn left first exit because that's for buses only. And another one telling you that you can't turn right third exit because that's for buses only. Have a look at this one. We've got a bus lane that actually starts on the left hand side. And then on the roundabout sign, it's saying that you can't take the second exit off the roundabout because that's for buses only. Watch the bus. He's currently at the bus stop and then going to have the traffic lights. He will be able to go onto this roundabout at the same time as us. Watch what happens. The bus is moving off. He's making his way up to the roundabout, and that section on the left is purely for him, bus lane. Now, if I wanted to turn left here, I'd have to make sure that the bus lane was clear before I take the first exit off the roundabout. See how we come around the corner here, and the mini roundabout is telling us that we can't turn right, only to the left. And coming from the opposite way, this is what it looks like. Can't go ahead, but we can go to the right. And again, if you look down on the ground, you'll see the words bus gate. When you have these bus only signs, it's always going to tell you the through traffic route that you would need to take, like here. I hope this video has explained about the difference between the signs and what they mean. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to see some more driving videos.